Hi, good morning. Welcome to Starbot. Now I'll show you can generate your home automation estimate within 2 minutes. So I'll just show you how you have to enter your details and your everything, all enter all your details. Just after that, let's start. It will Once you enter, you will find living room. So you have to select how many switchboards are there in living room. So let's assume only one switchboard. On that switchboard, how many fans are there? So there is one fan. Let's assume there is a two lights. Okay, is it, just select whether it is AC is there in living room or not. So I just assuming that AC is there in living room. One more thing, you can also control your curtain. So if you want to control your curtain, you can select yes. IR blaster, where all the remotes, your mobile can be your remote for everything, TV, AC and all. So if you want, you can select that also. Intelligent smart sensor, if you select yes, if you use this, your home automation will be sensor based home automation. You can control your house, it will be sensor based. Now we are going to dining area. So dining area, let's assume only one switchboard is there. So one fan, and let's say there are two lights. AC, yes, I would like to take AC on automation. Now let's go to the bedroom. So here you have to select how many bedrooms are there in your flat or bungalow. So let's say I'm assuming there are 2 bedrooms. Okay, now in that bedroom, how many switchboards? So I'm taking one switchboard is there, and on that there is a one fan and 2 light. There is a AC in a bedroom. I don't want a curtain controller. I don't want this. Now we're going to bedroom 2. In bedroom 2 also there is a one fan and 2 light. I would like to take on a automation, and one AC I would like to take on a automation. Now the bathroom. So let's say it is a 2 BHK flat. So there is a 2 bathroom. So select 2. Now if you have to select, if you want to take a geyser on a automation. Motion sensor, we recommend that you should use motion sensor in your bathroom. Second bathroom, I don't want to take geyser or on automation. So I'm just taking a one motion sensor. Now kitchen, I'm taking only smoke sensor, gas sensor. I don't want to take a kitchen. If you want, you can take also kitchen on automation, where fan and light, you can take kitchen fan and light on automation. Puja room, if you have a puja room, you can take a puja room also in an automation. Entrance, if you have a larger entrance, so entrance lights also. Fan, if you have a fan also, you can take on automation. I am taking one motion sensor in entrance. Corridor, if you have a bigger corridor, you can have one motion sensor or other thing. Suppose you have a bungalow, so bungalows, there is a big corridor, you can take few things on automation. Now these are the other additional things. If you want a security sensor, additional motion sensor, you can take them automation on automation. Door controller, you can also take a door also on automation. RBG thermal sensor, water sprinkler also, gate controller, all on automation. Now let's go. Now if you see, it does not take more than 2 minutes to generate your home automation estimate. Okay, and it is very simple. If you see here, okay, it is about to come. You can also download PDF from here. Okay, so your quotation you can see quotation here, and one copy of quotation also goes to your email ID. So you can check your mail ID. Now if you see, it's proper quotation there, room wise you will find a quotation here. Now if you see, company is offering good discount, if you are booking it online. And if you see, the 2 BHK flat with complete automation is around 55,000, which has the geyser automation, AC, light, fan, and one curtain, living curtain on automation, right? Thank you so much, guys. You can check your email, you will find this quotation there also. Thanks a lot. It is so easy. All the best.